guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but ERLC just gave us an update. I'll say leak or teaser, whatever you are just posted in the community right now. So let me explain. So we all know that construction. Why is my volume that loud? Holy. They know that construction site over here. Just drive over here. Drift around this corner. Oh, not the river. So this construction site over here. So they just posted here, which will show you here in a bit. Oh, stop. They just posted over here and so yeah, let me explain. Let's go on to the Discord and show you. So I posted this in my community chat, ERLC update. Guess what it is? And we got this picture right here. It's in my community post. So guess what it is? It looks like they moved the crane from where it is. Like that hill looks like. And then ERLC released this video, which will show you right now in the server. Alright, here, we'll switch up like this. So they just put two announcements, which this picture, like I showed you guys earlier, and this video, which I'm gonna play some picture parts of it. So on the video here, it looks like a construction update some kind. You see the crane moved, and it looks like a new building placed there in the back, and the crane looks moved. Alright, let's get on to the next scene.
Good night!
What? On DOT, which I don't know why though. But yeah, again, this will make good role plays later with this bucket truck here. Alright, next. You can move those things. Oh. Alright, back. Look like it. Forklift, and that's just build up Liberty County. So can you maybe build your own building there maybe? And it looks like there's a little bit of concrete there. Alright, let's head back. The bulldozers. It looks like they're gonna have interior too. Alright, back up. Building from earlier, bricks and all that. Alright, time to go back. Okay, so we're a front look scene of the concrete and the construction site. Yeah, the crane did move. Okay, yeah, I'm like, so this is the hint that's gonna update today. So it's a sporty update today. It's not out yet, as you saw. Alright, let's, you guess this in the comments down below. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Alright, that was all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe. I just hope this don't get copyrighted. Alright, and no further ado, I'll see. Yeah, it looks like the crane moved. And those pictures. I'll see you guys in the next video. And comment down below if you like my character like this. Me personally, I like it because it makes cool videos. Alright, anyway, make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys when the update comes out. Peace out, everybody.